Alright, experiment. We have just laid our potatoes directly on the ground, and we are shaking us a row of hay over them, which we will water it in when we are finished. These are some Jerusalem artichokes or sunchokes we're trying into tubs. And these are some onions, green onions that we have got started to try. And we are trying some regular large onions. And for our yard garden, we have a little ditch dug with sugar snap peas around through there, in there, to climb the porch. And along out there, we are going to put in a couple of pretty tomato plants. And these are one, in here somewhere. Oh, there. Up and through here we have 4 hills of the Seminole pumpkins, and I have 2 above the house. We're going to try to turn this into a garden landscape.